struggling with prop firms?
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be going over the break and retest strategy, but showing a different side of it. You know how to use it with trending markets, whether it's a downtrend or uptrend. So obviously I'm on Euro USD, you know, a notorious currency pair that, you know, with low spreads, you know, with many benefits. So here, as you can see, a clear downtrend. But before we continue, guys, make sure you hit that like and subscribe, because I post videos every single day trying to provide value as much as I can. I don't provide any courses or offer any signals, just free gems daily. So, you know, showing entry methods and different strategies. Okay, so without wasting any time, as you can see clearly, guys, this is a clear downtrend. Why? Because price I'm on replay mode here. So I mean, this time period is about 18 September, so not too long ago. Okay, so if we are to apply the break or retest strategy, now the benefit of this, guys, is our focus is only sells, right? We're not looking for buys. It's a downtrend, so we're only focusing on sells. Now if I zoom in, I am on the 1 hour time frame. Just one more. Let me see if we can bump it up again. Okay, 2 hour time frame shows a bit more clarity. Okay, so the first area of interest, you got to mark your key levels, the areas of interest first. So first one that pops to mind is, that's the wrong one, this one here. And I'll be going over why are these, you know. So first, obviously market was bullish for a while. Then we have this huge, you know, bearish momentum. Breaks the, you know, breakout. Just draw it, just make it as clean as possible. Okay, accurate. Okay, we've got this first resistance created here. Price, you know, breaks above, comes down, retests the support, which is down now. The support here, you get this 2 hour rejection wick here, strong shooting star, bullish candle. If I just zoom in, so you get a better idea what I'm talking about. Let's just break this down even more. Okay, price broke above, came down. This became resistance. If I just move this out of the way, this became resistance. Price came back down, breakout, right? Then the breakout here, price came back down. It did come down. A tip, guys, when price comes down, don't just take a sell here, because how could I draw this? Okay, when price first, this candle must have looked like this, right? Coming down like this, and people would look down and oh yeah, it's going to be a sell, right? It's closing below this area, so it's going to be a sell. Remember, you always wait for the candle to close. Always wait for the candle to close. Price came down. Really, why did it come down? Just to create this wick. And then price went back up and closed above, right? That's your buy signal. Then boom. Now down here, if I just show you, mark this line here, price broke through, right, and closed below. So this now, you know, now we're in a downtrend. Why? Because if you look at this area, a key area, is price was broken through. Now there could be just a, you know, retracement, but in my eyes, because of all this, because 2 hour time frame, a lot of bearish momentum, price broke through, you know, came back up to the retest. You get this other candlestick here. Now price obviously broke through and closed, so we broke the low of this. If I just show you, look at this, guys, close below, so price comes back up to retest. So this, the better level would be to draw this one, and look, the wicks touch the line, excuse me, and then you got another, you know, price breaks above, come back to retest this line, and look at this wick rejection here, touches this line perfectly, comes up, comes down, closes below, and this would have been a nice, remember, this is the start of the downtrend, so we are only looking for sells. You're a nice decent size stop loss. Again, what I like to do is draw the key levels. So 400 area, yeah, so I would have waited for price to come to the 400 area, then taken the sell, and that's it. Now obviously we've got this, you know, one moment, if I just show you, we've got wick rejections here, huge bearish engulfing candle, and then not the best, obviously you've got wicks on both sides, so not the best. Price comes back up. Now this bullish candle closes above. Now people are like, oh well, you know, maybe I should be looking for buy. No, because this area is, you know, is the 1.11400. so this is the most respected area. From this whole area, this is the most key area. Price comes up, right? I would be looking for a sell because look at this wick rejection. It's not the best, but even if I was to break it down to a smaller time frame, because this is a 2-hour time frame, we go on a 1-hour time frame. Again, look, now we've got a bullish doji. Decisions are being made. A better rejection here, but then you could have entered just off this 30-minute time frame, have it above this area. If we break it down even more, price comes up, engulfing bearish candle. You can take the entry. Just remember, you're looking for sells, so you don't think of if it keeps giving buy signals, then don't just be patient or just walk away. And this would have given a nice small moment. Let's speed this up. So you would have just held even your trade till here. Nice 1 to 4, 4.5, and there you go. So remember, we're looking for sells, so price does come back up here. You could have taken another entry here. Again, just break it down to a smaller time frame. Look at this, guys. Okay, bearish candle rejection. We've got this bullish next to it. Break close below the psychological key level. This one closed above. You show patience though. That's not an entry signal. This one closes below, right? So the price, it pushes price back down. So whatever it closes, closing below the psychological key level. So what you do, take a sell again. You have this above the high of the previous candles. And now we're looking for, and look at this huge dip here, guys. And this would give you a nice 1 to, get rid of 1 to 15, 1 to 16. A nice 1 to 16, guys. Look at that, easy as that. And then remember, we know we're in a downtrend now, so do speed her up. 4-hour time frame, keeps going. You're only looking for sells, right? Okay, quick pause there. Now look, so you draw your other levels. Why? It's in the past. Okay, this was a rejection area. This is now, first this was resistance, now this is support. Price breaks through, comes back up. Let me get rid of this 1 to 16. Comes back up. Now we know this is a respected area. Remember, this is on the 4-hour time frame, a respectable time frame. We're looking for sells. We'll wait for price to come up back to the, it's I believe the 1-hour 400 area. So if I just mark this properly, yep, wait for price to come back up. You could keep it either the high, you know, this wick, or you can just, if I just break it down to a smaller time frame, I know we have it at 15 pips, sometimes 10 pips. But depending on the currency pair, I don't trade Euro USD. I'm starting to like Euro USD, so I mean 1 to 8 there, guys. And then look at this, guys. When the price, so we know for Euro USD, this is a vital psychological key level, the 1.10400 area, and this is another 1 to 6, almost 1 to 7. Can you imagine if you're a $100,000 platform account? It's crazy. I remember, we're not looking for buys yet. For me to start looking for buys, right, this would have to break these highs here, this resistance, and then I'll start considering taking buys. So okay, maybe you could have taken a, you know, we're in a trend line, so price does come back up. It comes back up here. Let's just say we would have come back up here and we would have lost. Let's just make it realistic. We're not just going to win all trades out of it. I just color it. I like to color the losses orange. So don't forget, this is a 4.5. So if I mark this works for me. Okay, I like to color my wins in blue. Okay, this is a 4, this is a 8. I remember there's a 16 before, but I'm not gonna add that because just 1 moment. Let's just play it realistic as possible. 8, this is a 6, this is a 6. Okay, now this is a -1, so copy and paste this over here, but what we'll do is we'll do -1, color it orange, what I normally like to do. Okay, price, okay, this is a loss, right? So now so far already, guys, 12, 18, 18% up, right? Well, minus the 1, 17%. In how much period of time? You're on a $100,000 platform account in a period of 27 days. Call it a month, right? Well, actually that was a trade loss, but this is where we, in a period of 19 days, because from the start date, so let me just do this properly. From here till here where the trade ends, from the beginning, 15 days, call it 2 weeks. In 2 weeks, if you walk away with around $18,000 on a $100,000 platform account, not bad at all. So let's just keep going, right? Okay, straight away, what comes to the, you know, the eyes can pick up. I'll mark this area. Rejections. rejections, price shoots back up, but we were looking for sells. So what do? Rejections, right? So this is a new respected area, again 400 it seems. So you wait, remember we wait for the breakout, price fell, tanked through, price comes back up to this area, remember 15 pips like I said, and let's see how much it would give us. And look, it just keeps going, so how much would this give us if we would have waited? Let's just say call it a 129. Do we get away with that? Yes we do. A 129 on how much time? 9 days, you know, almost 2, that's 2 weeks of trading days, because you have 5 days per week, so 10 days, so call it 10 days. In 2 weeks, $9,000, you know, on a 100k profit firm account. So put that there, and I hope this is helpful, like you following along guys. Remember we're still looking on sells, so again most touches occurred here, right? So you look, rejections, very good at drawing your key levels as well guys. Or if I was to even draw it like this, remember key levels are not lines, they are zones, areas. So price, I'm not looking for buys, remember we're in a downtrend, I'm only looking for sells. Could have even looked for a sell here. Look at this guys, I know it looks standing like I'm drawing a lot of lines, but look, even here, look, rejections, price came back down, came back up, you could have taken another entry from here. This would give you another 129. Now if you look here, you could have taken another entry here. Entries everywhere guys. If I just move this back, this would give you the 126. Price comes back up, huge bullish momentum. Then let's see how, there you go, see, let's just say this one you would have gone for a sell, you would have lost this trade. But the reason I would not have gone for a sell, I wouldn't have fought this huge bullish momentum candle here. I would have waited patiently like something's going on, because in the past when I was going for sells, right, look, when I went for this sell here, look at this huge bearish momentum candles. I don't want to fight this. Sellers are in control, I don't want to fight this. Price comes up, boom, tanks. Right now huge bullish candle, I'll wait. When the price comes back up here, we got this huge bullish candle, but then look at the next candle, a long wick rejection, a weak bullish candle, and then we're at that level of 1.09400, respectable area that's shown in the past. I take my sell from there, so I'm gonna take the sell from here, another 129. So I mean remember we're not even marked at 116 yet. So if I draw it from here to here alone, 39 days, I believe that's over a month of trading days. It might be even almost 2 months, but you're walking away with silly money guys. And look how accurate this was as well, not the hardest way to trade. The break and retest, absolutely love this strategy. I don't use this strategy, I have my own, but I do use a certain, you know, I do use this, but in a certain way with my strategy. It's definitely helpful guys, try it out. I hope this video was helpful, provided value. If it did, hit that like and subscribe, and take care, and I'm out.